3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺早上8點，超強颱風摩羯集結喺香港之東南偏南大約390公里，即係北緯19.1度、東經115.7度附近。預料向西或者西北偏西移動，時速大約12公里，橫過南海北部。摩羯發展成熟，受佢嘅外圍環流影響，今朝本港普遍風力增強，高地間中吹烈風。按照現時預測路徑，摩羯將會喺今晚至聽朝喺本港西南300公里左右掠過。預料同摩羯相關嘅烈風區會喺今日稍後靠近珠江口，本港普遍地區嘅風力會進一步增強，天氣轉壞。天文台會考慮喺今日下晝4點到夜晚7點改發8號烈風或暴風信號。摩羯嘅外圍雨帶正係影響廣東沿岸，海面有大浪同埋湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。進行戶外工作或者活動嘅市民亦都要留意天氣變化。喺過去1個鐘，大老山、橫瀾島同埋青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時66、46同42公里，最高陣風分別超過83、53同53公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 kilometers per hour are expected. At 8 a.m., Super Typhoon Yagi was estimated to be about 390 kilometers south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.1 degrees north, 115.7 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest at about 12 kilometers per hour across the northern part of the South China Sea. Yagi is a mature storm. Under the influence of its outer circulation, local winds generally strengthened this morning, with occasional gale winds on high ground. According to the present forecast track, Yagi will skirt around 300 kilometers to the southwest of Hong Kong tonight and tomorrow morning. Gales associated with Yagi are expected to edge closer to the Pearl River estuary later today. Local winds will strengthen further, and weather will deteriorate. The observatory will consider issuing the gale or storm signal, number 8, between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. today. The outer rain bands associated with Yagi are affecting the coast of Guangdong. Seas are rough with swells. Members of the public should stay away from the shoreline and not engage in water sports. Those engaging in outdoor work or activities should also take note of the changes in weather. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island, and Green Island were 66, 46, and 42 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 83, 53, and 53 kilometers per hour respectively.